Jak často jste si nevěděli rady? Třeba když jste poprvé spouštěli reklamu na Facebooku pro vaše podnikání, nebo když jste poprvé zapínali myčku. Představte si, že byste vedle sebe vždycky měli nějakého experta, který vám poradí kdykoliv, s čímkoliv a zadarmo. Přesně takového experta vás dneska naučím používat. Já jsem Štefan Prokop a pomáhám podnikatelům vydělat víc díky moderním technologiím. AI Studio je nástroj od Googlu, který je zadarmo a můžete ho používat i vy. Můžete si s ním psát, stejně jako s ChatGPT, můžete si s ním povídat, může vás učit třeba angličtinu, ale můžete mu nasdílet i obrazovku na svém počítači a v reálném čase s ním řešit nějaký problém. To ale není všechno. Můžete vzít i svůj mobil a nahrávat nějaké věci v domácnosti a pomůže vám třeba zapnout myčku. Tak jdem na to. Pokud chcete začít Google AI Studio používat, stačí to jednoduše vygooglit. Proklikneme se na tuhle stránku a už se nacházíte v Google AI Studio. Abyste byli schopní si s Google AI Studiem povídat, sdílet mu obrazovku nebo mu nahrávat přes webkameru, tak je potřeba se prokliknout do Stream Real-Time sekce. Tady potom jednoduše zapnete nahrávání, zapnete mikrofon anebo nasdílíte obrazovku, případně kameru. Ahoj, umíš mluvit česky nebo jenom anglicky?
Umím mluvit anglicky a česky. Můžu mluvit dalšími jazyky.
Okay, so I think English will be better, right?
Ano, myslím, že angličtina bude lepší.
Hi, do you see my LinkedIn profile?
Yes, I can see your LinkedIn profile. It looks like it belongs to Štefan Prokop, a CTO for startups.
Do you see this text? Could you please somehow rephrase it to make it more engaging?
How about this? I help law firms and startups with automation and digitization. I also do low-code development, training, and custom CRM. Is that better? Yes, I can see your screen. It appears you are using a code editor and are viewing a YAML file named build.yml. Is there something specific you need help with regarding this file or the code editor?
Yes, perfect. This is PHP Storm, and you can see that there are some uncommitted changes, and I would like to commit it. Can you help me with committing the changes?
Okay, I understand. You're using PHP Storm and want to commit your uncommitted changes. Usually, there is a commit button or a commit option in the version control menu, which is commonly located in the top navigation or right-click menu. Can you find that commit option?
Can you tell me more about it? I can't see anything.
In PHP Storm, it is usually accessible via a small icon, often a blue up arrow, located in the top right corner or in the left sidebar. Do you see any icon similar to this?
There is just the left sidebar, so I click the left sidebar. Do you see it?
Yes, I see you have clicked on the left sidebar. Now, you may see a menu or a specific section for version control. Look for a Git or VCS menu option in the top navigation. Do you see that?
Yes.
Okay, you found the Git menu, and now you should be able to see the option to commit changes there. Please look for the commit option in the Git menu and click it, and you should be good to commit your changes.
Perfect, thank you. Okay, do you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen. It looks like you are using a video editing program, and there is also a web page on the right. How can I help you with it?
Perfect. This is my video I recorded yesterday. It's about cybersecurity, and I would like to make the video a bit faster. Could you help me to do that?
Okay, I understand. You have a video about cybersecurity, and you would like to make the video faster. Based on what I see, you're using a video editing program, and I see a timeline at the bottom. Typically, to make a video faster, you would adjust the playback speed of the clip in the timeline. Can you find the playback speed setting?
No, I can't. Could you tell me more about it?
Okay, you can't find the playback speed setting. Let's try a different approach. In that editing software, do you see a Properties tab or anything like that in the area where the timeline and clip information are? If so,
yes,
you can use
Properties.
Okay, great. I see that you found the Properties tab. Now, can you see a field called Speed? It should be set to 1.0 00000 or something similar. That number represents the current playback speed, and to make the video faster, you should increase that number. Would you like to try changing it?
Perfect, I will try it. Hi, could you please tell me what do you see?
Sure. I see a silver oven with a digital clock displaying 10:34. The oven door is partially open, revealing the inside. It appears to be a built-in oven with a drawer at the bottom.
Perfect. Could you please help me to start it? I would like to make a bread.
Okay, I can help you with that. To start the oven, it typically involves setting a temperature and potentially a cooking mode. Do you see buttons or a dial to adjust the temperature on your oven?
I think this is temperature, right?
Yes, you're correct. The button you're pointing to has a Celsius symbol on it, which usually indicates it's for setting the oven temperature. What temperature do you want to use for your bread?
I don't know. Can you help me?
Of course I can help. For most breads, a good starting temperature is around 180 to 200 degrees Celsius. Would you like me to guide you to set it within that range?
I think it's done.
Yes, it looks like you've set the oven temperature to somewhere between 150 and 200 degrees Celsius. Is there anything else I can assist you with regarding the oven or your bread?
It didn't start it yet. Look, it's still dark inside.
Okay, I see what you mean. Even though the temperature is set, the oven hasn't started heating. Usually there's a start button or a setting that needs to be activated for the heating to begin. Is there any other button you see on the oven that isn't the temperature or time setting?
This one?
Okay, you press the button with the square and the 0 inside. That could be the on/off button or a function selector. Did the light inside the oven come on now?
I don't know which function to use. Do you know what these images mean?
Okay, I can help with that. The dial you're turning looks like it selects different oven functions. Usually the symbol with a fan is for convection baking. The one with the line across the top and bottom is for standard baking, and the one with the line on the top is for broiling. For baking bread, you will want the standard baking symbol.
Neskutečný, co? Ale je fakt, že tyhle nástroje taky nezvládnou úplně všechno.
I see a code editor, it looks like versus code, with a YAML file open. It is named build.yml.
Perfect. So I have a problem. There is a mistake in a code, and I don't know where. I just know that the code is not running. Could you help me to solve the issue?
Okay, I see that you have a YAML file named build.yml open in versus code. You believe there is a mistake in the code causing it not to run, and you'd like help solving the issue. Unfortunately, I can't directly debug the code for you, but I can give you some general tips.
Could you please clean the mess?
I see a sink full of dirty dishes. Unfortunately, I can't physically clean the mess as I'm just a language model.
Za mě je Google AI Studio jednoznačně skvělý nástroj. Můžeme mu sdílet obrazovku a jediný, co tomu chybí, tak je, aby za mě vykonával nějakou práci. A přesně tam si myslím, že tyhle ty technologie spějou, protože už se svým nástrojem Dictý, na kterým pracuji se svým kolegou, tak přesně k něčemu takovému směřujeme. Pokud si třeba zlomíte ruku a nemůžete psát na počítači, tak Dictý za vás bude dělat veškerý úkony. Píše za vás e-mail podle toho, co diktujete, vyhledává za vás na Googlu podle toho, co chcete vyhledat a tak dál. A přesně tam si myslím, že směřujou dnešní AI nástroje. Už jste si Google AI Studio vyzkoušeli? Jestli jo, dejte mi vědět do komentáře, jak to šlo. Pokud vás podobný témata zajímají, nezapomeňte kliknout na odběr. No a jestli bych vám mohl s moderníma technologiemi u vás ve firmě nějak pomoct, neváhejte mi napsat.